Hi, my name is David. I'm an iRobot field marketing representative. Today I want to share what comes in the box of the Roomba 675 Robot Vacuum. Alright, let's get in here. Open up the box. As you can see, the Roomba is pretty snug in there. Didn't move around much. Little pack lid on top here. Let's work on getting this Roomba out of the box and out of its packaging. So as you can see, the 675 has a nice sleek design to it. Black glossy finish, simple operation, no programming required. So the Roomba comes with 3 different buttons. When you press the clean button, it'll power on the Roomba. Press it again and it'll start it. Pressing this dock button would allow you to send the Roomba back to the docking station before it's completed its mission. The spot button will allow the Roomba to concentrate on a specific area by spiraling about 3 feet in diameter, then spiraling back to where it started. The soft bumper on the Roomba comes equipped with light touch sensors. It basically allows the Roomba to detect if it's trying to push through a wall or it's trying to push through curtains and bed skirts. Now let's talk about these cliff detection sensors. Now, cliff detection sensors do prevent the robot from falling down stairs or tumbling over drop-offs, so basically saving your robot's life. So here you have the edge sweeping brush. It's designed at a 27-degree angle to help you sweep away debris from edges, corners, and into the paths of the robot's suction. Though multi-surface brushes work together to grab debris from your floors, the first brush loosens, lifts, and pulls in debris, dust, and hair from your carpets and floors. The second one does accelerate debris into the suction channel. As I pull on the auto-adjust cleaning head, you can see that it adapts its height to keep the multi-surface brushes in close contact with different floor types, and therefore directly engaging with hard floors and your carpets. Let's take a look at the accessories that come in the box. First one here is the AeroVac filter. This filter captures fine dust and debris. And keep in mind that this is an additional filter that comes in the 675 packaging. And next we have the home base, which is an accessory that comes with all your Roombas. So this is how the home base works. When the Roomba is out working and it's running low on battery, it'll return to the home base. Another instance it returns is when it's done with this mission. So the Roomba will always have a forever home base. And last, we have your owner's guide, which contains information about your robot and also basic instructions on how to set up your robot. So this is everything that comes in the box for the Roomba 675. For more information on how this robot works and why it would be a great fit for you, please continue to watch our videos on Roomba 675. Thank you for watching.